channel, and now you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location is surrounded by attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is excellent. It is enjoy the surrounding. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book for booking or more details,